Trabajo con ellos. I work with them. I work with them. Trabajo. I work con with ellos. Them. I work with them. Trabajo con ellos. No tengo tiempo. I don't have time. I don't have time. No tengo. I don't have tiempo. Time. I don't have time. No tengo tiempo. I don't have time. Fue un buen día. It was a good day. It was a good day. Fue. It was un a buen día. Good day. It was a good day. Fue un buen día. Pasaré el día fuera. I will spend the day outside. I will spend the day outside. Pasaré. I will spend el día, the day, afuera, outside. I will spend the day outside. Duró unos minutos. It lasted a few minutes. It lasted a few minutes. Duró. It lasted. Unos. A few. Minutos. Minutes. It lasted a few minutes. Duró unos minutos. Es peligroso. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Es. It's. Peligroso. Dangerous. It's dangerous. Es peligroso. Yo he estado ocupado. I have been busy. I have been busy. Yo he. I have. Estado. Been. Ocupado. Busy. Yo he estado ocupado. I have been busy. Quita eso. Remove that. Remove that. Quita. Remove. Eso. That. Quita eso. Remove that. ¿Puedes abrirlo para mí? Can you open it for me? Can you open it for me? ¿Puedes Can you abrirlo? Open it. Para mí. For me. Can you open it for me? ¿Puedes abrirlo para mí? Es parte del plan. It's part of the plan. It's part of the plan. Es parte. It's part del of the plan. Plan. It's part of the plan. Es parte del plan. Ella es linda. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Ella, she, es linda. Is beautiful. Ella es linda. She is beautiful. Es fácil de hacer. It's easy to do. It's easy to do. Es fácil. It's easy de to hacer. Do. Es fácil de hacer. It's easy to do. Empuja la puerta. Push the door. Push the door. Empuja. Push la the puerta. Door. Push the door. Empuja la puerta. Es bien merecido. It's well deserved. It's well deserved. It's bien, well, merecido. Deserved. Es bien merecido. It's well deserved. Teníamos todo. We were scared. We were scared. Teníamos. We were. Miedo. Scared. We were scared. Teníamos miedo. Estaba durmiendo. I was sleeping. I was sleeping. Estaba. I was durmiendo. Sleeping. I was sleeping. Estaba durmiendo. Haz otro intento. Make another attempt. Make another attempt. Haz, make, otro, another, intento, attempt. Haz otro intento. Make another attempt. Pasa la sal. Pass the salt. Pass the salt. Pasa. Pass la sal. The salt. Pasa la sal. Pass the salt. Baja la cortina. Lower the curtain. Lower the curtain. Baja. Lower la cortina. The curtain. Lower the curtain. Baja la cortina. Debo disculparme. I must excuse myself. I must excuse myself. Debo. I must. Disculparme. Excuse myself. I must excuse myself. Debo disculparme. I must excuse myself. Fue costoso. It was costly. It was costly. Fue. It was. Costoso. Costly. Fue costoso. It was costly. Fue divertido. It was fun. It was fun. Fue. It was divertido. Fun. Fue divertido. It was fun. Hemos empezado. We have begun. We have begun. Hemos. We have. Empezado. Begun. Hemos empezado. We have begun. Suena bien. Sounds good. Sounds good. Suena. Sounds. Bien. Good. Sounds good. Pon el dinero aquí. Put the money here. Put the money here. Pon. Put. El dinero. The money. Aquí. Here. Put the money here. Pon el dinero aquí. No fue tu culpa. It wasn't your fault. It wasn't your fault. No fue. It wasn't your culpa. Fault. It wasn't your fault. No fue tu culpa. Este es el mejor. This one is the best. This one is the best. This one, es el, is the, mejor, best. This one is the best. Este es el mejor. ¿Cómo estuvo tu semana? How was your week? How was your week? ¿Cómo? How estuvo? Was tu your semana? Week? How was your week? ¿Cómo estuvo tu semana?